Today's video features a super high impact Tango line combination. This combination includes a Spanish drag, a swiveling action to a flick for the lady, swiveling back to closed position, and then a promenade. We are commencing in closed position for the drag. The flick is in a Same Foot Lunge position, swiveling back to closed position before finishing in a promenade position. We'll now show you the same demonstrations in slow motion, where you can see exactly what we are doing to produce our impact. The timing is slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. However, when dancing this, I actually would count this slightly differently, as follows. And slow, slow, and quick, and slow. And our final demonstration of this combination with lots of staccato movements.